So here is a video you might all like, another breakfast video that is really healthy, simple and fast to do. Now basically there's only two ingredients, an egg and an avocado. But those two ingredients make for a really delicious, rich and healthy breakfast. Now I must say that at a time in my life I ate this breakfast about 4 to 5 times a week. It was definitely my go-to in the morning and for good reason. It's of course really healthy, it's easy, fast, convenient, and also pretty inexpensive. So without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna start off by getting our boiled eggs going. So place some cold water in a pot, add your eggs and simmer for about 8 minutes. If you're like me and you like your yolks firm, then go for about 8 minutes. If you like them runny and soft, then go for 6. So once the timer is up, remove from the heat and run your boiled eggs under cold water. And running under cold water is super important because it's going to help that egg white contract away from the shell and not stick to it as you peel your eggs. So next we're going to break down our avocado. So slice all the way around the center. Twist and then separate both halves. And then we're going to use the base of our knife and we're going to strike at the pit and we're going to twist again and remove that pit. Now here's a really cool way to remove the skin cleanly. First we're going to quarter our avocado halves. And then with those quarters we're going to use a paring knife. And from one end to the other, we're going to peel back that skin until it smoothly comes off. And this will give your avocado a really nice clean look. Now place your avocados on a serving plate and squeeze some lemon juice all over them on the flesh so that they don't oxidize and brown. Season with salt generously, and now we're going to start peeling our eggs. After your eggs are peeled, now you're going to slice them in half and plate with your avocado. Now here's the beauty in all of this and probably something you've never seen. Generously douse your boiled eggs with some olive oil and this is going to elevate your hard-boiled eggs to another level. Then you want to liberally add salt and some cracked black pepper. And that is your breakfast. That is the breakfast of champions, a really healthy and easy dish to do. And the flavors are really clean and they're gonna give you a great energy boost that you're gonna need throughout the day. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed that one, and if you want more breakfast videos, then definitely comment below on some ideas that you would like me to do a video on. I'm thinking next of doing a traditional shakshuka dish, which I'm sure many of you would love to see. Alright, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, keep on cooking.